Professor Rob with Coach Steph here for another technique of the week. This week we're going to be working on guard passing. In particular, we're going to be dealing with our knee shield. Alright guys, we're back here in the closed guard with Coach Steph. So we're going to be talking about the knee shield pass, alright? So we're going to start passing the guard, hands in the hips, knee in the butt, left leg out wide like we did last week. And then Coach Steph starts to turn to her side and she gets that knee in front of my elbow, right? Sometimes in the chest, sometimes it's a little lower in the belly. Either way, right, I'm kind of blocked here on my pass. Yeah, and she's gonna push me away, frame me out, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my body weight forward, right? As I do that, I'm gonna rotate this right elbow back in front of her knee. Okay, now I use that elbow to push that knee out, left hand pins. Now I can go back to my knee slice. My right knee comes on top of that thigh. I start lowering my level, getting my right hand, forefingers inside the lapel. Left hand's gonna grab the backside of the tricep. I slide, sit all the way to my butt cheek here in our Kesakatame position, right? So I wanna turn back into side control, but I wanna be careful when I turn into side control to my knees that I don't give her space to get her bottom knee inside. So I'm gonna show you that real quick. So when I turn to my knees, if I make the mistake in giving her too much space, she's gonna get that elbow to knee connection, right? And I'm gonna lose that pass. So one thing I like to do to go back to side control, I turn my toes into the mat, I lift my butt slightly off the ground, putting most of my weight on her right rib cage here. And I'm just gonna walk my butt back, connecting my butt to her hips, and then right knee in the butt, left leg straight, and then I have my side control. Back in the closed guard here with Coach Steph. We're going to open the guard. Coach Steph's going to turn to her side, putting the knee shield in. Okay, so hands in the hips, my right knee's in the butt. I step out, she immediately turns to her side and puts the knee shield in. Again, this knee is in my way, right, and I try to come forward. She frames, pushes me away, keeps me from passing her guard here, right? So we have to deal with this knee shield. So we're going to do a leg weave. So my right arm's going to go in between Coach Steph's legs here. My right hand's going to cup the top of this knee. Okay, what I'm going to do is take my shoulder, start driving down, and I want to pin her knees together. Now my left hand's going to reach for the collar. When I grab the collar, I want to turn my knuckles in here so I have a nice strong grip, right? I turn that in here just like that. Right now, especially with someone with longer legs, obviously Coach Steph has short legs, but they'll still be able to kind of hold on to that half guard or knee shield. So I'm going to sprawl my legs out super wide and then also put a lot of pressure on my right shoulder and pinning her knees together even further, right? So I'm gonna sprawl out super wide here, right? Now I'm gonna keep those grips as I walk around towards Coach Steph's head. And then I'm gonna drive straight forward, almost like a steamroll, putting all that weight until I establish my side control.